How to access Weverse Global Shop. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by moving into any of the web browser and then move into the site of shop.weverse.com. Once you're in the official page of Weverse Shop, tap on this icon at the top right corner and then click on Login. Now simply enter your login credential. Once you have entered, wait for a while for it to load. Once you have been logged into Weverse Shop, now what you want to do is, you have to make sure that you have joined the community of the artist that you want to access the global products. You can simply move into any of the artists. And there you go, it will land you on this page where you will be able to access the global products. If you swipe left, tons of different categories will be visible and available to you. You can move into any one of it and then purchase the product of your need. From here, you can also purchase the membership of the artist, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.